Hi students, today we are going to discuss about some problems based on complex numbers. What type of questions we can expect? J means based on complex numbers, look at the words. For any integer here, the argument of z is equal to, see the question? Which of the following option is correct? What is the argument of this number? Given. Now apply. Argument of z is equal to, how to write this one? 4n plus 1 into argument of root 3 plus I minus 4n into argument of 1 minus root 3. So how to find this one? Argument of root 3 plus I. First of all, this number belongs in which quadrant, dear students? First quadrant. Okay. So what is the formula? Tan inverse of 1 by root 3, that is how much? 30 degrees, 5 by 6. Fine. Coming to this point, see carefully. Argument of 1 minus I root 3. This number lies in fourth quadrant. So what the formula is coming? In fourth quadrant means what the result? Angle should be, argument of z should be minus theta format. Now, what are the cases coming here? Tan inverse of root 3 by 1, that is nothing but 60 degrees. The base minus 5 by 3 in this case. Therefore, argument of z is equal to 4n plus 1 into, what is the answer? 5 by 6 minus 4n into, what is the value of this one? That is minus 5 by 3. Now simplify, dear students, how much is coming? 4n 5 by 6 plus 4n 5 by 3 plus 5 by 6. What is the value? 2n 5 by 3. That means 2n total value plus 5 by 6. So, argument of z is how much? 5 by 6. So, correct option is A. That is the answer. If z lies on the circle, modulus of z minus 2i is equal to 2 root 2, then find the argument of this complex number. Okay. So, dear students, modulus of z minus z naught is equal to r. So, it represents a circle with the center z naught and radius is r. Fine. So, in this case, clearly z lies on circle. What is given? Z minus 2y is equal to root 2. So, what is the equation of circle here? X square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 8. Now, what are the points here? See, clearly 0 comma minus 2 and what are the points coming from this case? 2 comma 0 and minus 2 comma 0 lies on circle. See points, one is 2 comma 0, the other one is minus 2 comma 0, lies on circle with center 0 comma 2. That means clearly what the result is coming here? Suppose A is, dear students, see, minus 2 comma 0, B 2 comma 0, C center is 0. Like that. Clearly this angle is how much? 90 degrees. Slope of AC into slope of BC is minus 1. Therefore, choose any one point P, in this case circle. And what about this angle? Angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle APB is how much? That is 45 degrees. So, answer is C. So, that is the argument of z minus 2 by z plus 2. See carefully now. This is z, x comma y. Good. Students, if three complex numbers are in AB, then they lie on option A. A circle in the complex plane, a straight line in the complex plane, a parabola in the complex plane, and ellipse. Which one is the correct answer? See, let us suppose Z1, Z2, Z3 are three complex numbers. Consider. So, what is the condition is given? AP, that is 2Z2 is equal to Z1 plus Z3. So, Z2 how to write? Z1 plus Z3 by 2. So, clearly Z2 is midpoint of what is the case? Z1 and Z3. Therefore, that is Z1, Z2, Z3 are collinear. Then what you can say? Form a 3 points lies on the straight line in the complex plane. That is the answer. Let Z1, Z2 be two complex numbers represents by the points on the circles. Mod Z is equal to 1 and mod Z2 is equal to respectively. Then which of the following is not true? Let us see which one is a false statement. From this case, I am writing one result. See, dear students, what is that? Modulus of Z1 plus Z2. What is the formula? Mod Z1 plus mod Z2. Fine. From this case, what is the result is coming? See, maximum means 2Z1 plus Z2. How to write this one? 2Z1 plus mod Z2. Fine. Mod Z1 is how much? 1. Mod Z2 is how much? 2. Put this values. 2 into 1 plus 2. So answer is coming 4. So this is correct. Now B. See. So A is correct. What about B? Minimum means what here? Z1 minus Z2 greater than or equal to mod Z1 minus mod Z2. What is the answer is coming in this case? What is the result is coming? Of course, this is the case. 1 minus 2. So answer is coming 1. That is minimum of Z1 minus Z2 is how much? 1. So this statement is also true. What about C? How to solve? That is C. Z2 plus 1 by Z1 less than or equal to mod Z2 plus 1 by mod Z1. Like that. Okay. What is the value of mod Z2? 2. 2 plus 1 less than or equal to 3. Yes, of course, this one is also true. D. What is the D? Minimum concept. What is the minimum? That is Z2 plus Z1 by Z1 is greater than or equal to mod Z2 minus 1 by Z1. How much is coming? Mod Z2 is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 is coming. So what is the answer is coming? 1 is coming. But here 2 is given. So this is false. Students, if mod Z1 is equal to 1, mod Z2 is equal to, mod Z3 is equal to 3, and this value is equal to 1, find this value. See, how do you prove this one? Given mod Z1 is equal to 1, mod Z2 is equal to, mod Z3 is equal to 3. So from this case, what is the meaning here? Z1 bar is equal to 1. What is the case? Z2 bar is equal to 4. Squaring on both sides, that is the case. What about this case? Z3 into Z3 bar is equal to 9. That is the case. Since mod Z is equal to 1 means how to write? Mod Z square is equal to 1. Z into Z bar is equal to 1. I am using this property. Now, come to the question. From these three terms, what is the common factor? So take Z1, Z2, Z3. Remaining, what are the cases coming in? 9 by Z3 plus 4 by Z2 plus 1 by Z1. Fine. So what is the value of 9 by Z3 anyone? That is, so this one can write mod Z1 into mod Z2 into mod Z3. Remaining is 9 by Z3, 4 by Z2, 1 by Z1. Mod Z1 is how much? 1 into mod Z2 is 2 into mod Z3 3. Fine. So modulus of 9 by Z3 from this case how much? That is Z3 bar. This is Z2 bar. This is Z2 bar. So how to write this case? That is 6 into Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole bar. I can write, see carefully. So what is the value of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 here? That is 1. So this can be written as, so answer is 6, that is the answer. The complex number Z satisfying the equations with modulus of Z minus 12 I by Z minus 8 is equal to 1 and this one. Which one is satisfied the given both the equations? So from the first equation, write down Z minus 12 I by Z minus 8 I is equal to 1. How to write this one? Modulus of this one. That means what here? Z is here. Locus of Z is what? Perpendicular bisector. Line joining. Locus of Z is perpendicular bisector line segment joining. What is the point here from this case? One is 0, 12 and the other one is 0, 8. So what is the perpendicular bisector from these cases? That is y is equal to what the answer is? 10. Careful. Now another one is Z minus 4 by Z minus 8 is equal to what? That is modulus of Z minus 4 is equal to Z minus 8. So what is the meaning here, dear students? Locus of Z is perpendicular bisector. Now the line segment joining. What is the point? One is, see carefully, 4, 0 and the other one is 8, 0. That is x is equal to average. What is the average? 6. Therefore, required complex number Z is equal to x plus ny. So what is the answer? 6 plus 10i. So which option is satisfied? D for Delhi. That is the answer. See the next question. If modulus of Z minus 1 plus modulus of Z minus 3 is less than or equal to 8, then what is the range of modulus of Z minus 4? Which option is satisfied? See, given mod Z minus 1 plus modulus of Z minus 3 less than or equal to 8. That means what is the case here? Z is lies on the ellipse. Z lies on or inside the ellipse. Property satisfied. That means here, see the diagram, dear students. For example, this is here B. What you have observed from this case? Z minus 1 plus Z minus 3 is equal to 8. On property satisfied. Suppose take P anywhere. P lies on the ellipse or inside the ellipse. What are the properties coming here? Let S test suppose 1, 0, 3, 0, 2 4k of the ellipse. And 2a is equal to 8. A is how much? 4. 5. So what is center is coming here? Center is 2, 0. So clear? Or see. What is the vertex of A here? Anyone? That is 4. What the answer is coming? 2 plus 4 means that is 6, 0. What are the cases coming here? Minus 2, 0. H plus A, H minus A. Fine. Now, how to find range of Z minus 4 in this case? So, means what here? Minimum of Z minus 4. How to find this one? The case. That is AP. What is the value of AP? Anyone? So, choose the point. What is the point here? 4, 0. So, minimum is what? 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Excuse me. Next. What is the maximum of Z minus 4? That is BB. Fine. How to find this case? That is 4 minus of minus 2. 6. Therefore, range of is equal to minimum is 2, maximum is 6. That is the answer. So, this one represents an ellipse. See carefully. One is 1, 0, focus, another one is 3, 0. So 2a is given constant, a is equal to 4. Center is given 2, 0, a, 0 minus a, 0. So simplify, that is the answer. The complex number Z1, Z2, Z3 satisfy this equation. That is Z1 minus Z3 by Z2 minus Z3 is equal to 1 minus I root 3 by 2 are the vertices of a triangle. Option A, area is 0. B, equilateral triangle, obtuse angle to isosceles triangle, finally right angle triangle. First of all, apply modulus for this case. Given Z1 minus Z3 by is equal to 1 minus I root 3 by 2. If I apply modulus on both sides, what is the result is coming? That is Z1 minus Z3 by is equal to modulus of 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Fine. So this one can expand 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. So we know that one result is there here. X plus IY. What is the formula? Root over x square plus y square. Same thing you can apply. So answer is coming 1. Now, what is the case coming? See, Z1 minus Z3 is equal to transpose this side Z2 minus Z3. So this is a 1. Fine. Now, argument of Z1 minus Z3 by Z2 minus Z3 is equal to argument of 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Fine. So this is nothing but what? Tan inverse of. First of all, this one belongs to fourth quadrant, that's why minus tan inverse of root 3 by 1. So what the result is coming? Minus pi by 3. Argument of Z1 minus Z3 by this case. So therefore, what you can say, give A of Z1, B Z2, C Z3 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. So what you are getting? Angle ACB is coming 60 degrees from this case, and AB is equal to AC is coming from this case. See? Therefore, what you can say? Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. That's the answer. So what is the option? So B for B. A complex number Z satisfying modulus of Z minus 5 I is equal to 4. and having least argument is. See. From this case, take x-axis, y-axis, this one. What are the cases coming here? Modulus of z minus 5i is equal to 4 means clearly z minus 5i is equal to 4 means clearly z lies on circle with center 0, 5 and radius is 4. Now draw the circle. For example, not exactly this one, 8. This is a circle, dear students. So this is the P. Some point P of Z lies on circle. Now least argument represents, that is POX. That means this is take theta. Yes. This is center is 0, 5. Draw the perpendicular. That is the radius. 4 is given. Now how to find this theta? That is the case. This is theta means 90 minus theta. 90. That is this theta. Now suppose this is m. What is the length of OM? That is 5. So least argument of Z is equal to how much? Angle POX. 5. Now P of Z means what is the number? R into cos theta plus I sin theta. That is the meaning. Okay. So this is theta means what is the value of OP here? That is 3. From this case, what is the value of tan theta? Anyone? That is 3/4. See carefully. So from this case, what is the cos theta? That is, take the right angle triangle. What are the cases coming? Cos theta is how much? 4/5. And sin theta is coming 3/5. Let's try to see. Like that. Now, what is the radius? OP is C. Therefore, least argument of Z is equal to R into what is R here? That is nothing but 3, dear students. Cos theta is how much? 4/5 plus I into 3/5. That is the answer. So in this case, where is the option C? 3/5 into 4 plus 3i. That is the least argument of Z. Maximum is here only possible. That is the maximum case. Okay? So option is A. That is the answer. Let's Z1 is given 10 plus 6i. Z2 is given 4 plus 6i. So Z is any complex number such that argument of Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2 is equal to 45 degrees, 5 over radius. Then what is the modulus of this value? Z minus 7 minus 9i. For second writing, that is given. Z1 is given 10 plus 6i. Z2 is given 4 plus 6i. Okay. So first I'm drawing the diagram. See. Draw the circle. What are the cases coming? Suppose A is given 4, 6 for example. B 10, 6. Okay. B is the line segment. C is the center. P lies on the circle. P of Z. Now, right? Join them this one also. From this case, what you can say? What the condition is given? The argument of Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2 is equal to 5/4. These 2 points lie on the circle. That means this angle is how much? Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2. That means this is 5/4. So what about this angle? 90. angle is subtended by an arc. The center of circle is twice angle is subtended by remaining part of the arc of the circle. Fine. So angle APB is equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, angle ACB is how much? 90 degrees. Dear students, drop the perpendicular. D. What are the coordinates of D here? D, B and C has a midpoint of AB. That means D can be written as how to write? 7, 6, 5. So number 6. So what is the length of AD? 3. Fine. Then what is the value of CD? Anyone? That is C is nothing but 7, 6 plus 3. That is 7, 9. Fine. Now 7, 9 is coming. Then what would you have? What is required? Find the distance between these 2 points. CP. That is, how to find CP? Once again, writing C. Z minus is equal to Z minus 7 minus 9 is equal to. This is nothing but CP. How to find CP? CP is nothing but AC. So triangle ACD from this case. This angle is how much? 45 degrees. This also 45 degrees. From this case, how to find AC? Anyone? CD into cos 45 degrees. So what is the value of CD? It is 3 means this one is also 3. 3 into 1 by root 2. Therefore, AC is coming 3 by root 2. AC is nothing but 7 Z minus 7 minus 9 is equal to 3 by root 2. Therefore, answer is C. That is the answer. If omega is an imaginary cube root of ut, then find this value. So these type of problems, how do you approach? First of all, how many terms are there? Find out. See, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 10 terms are there. So first of all, reduce into simplest form. Then only simplify this case. So what the given general case? See, given 2 into omega plus 1, omega square plus 1, 3 into and so on, n plus 1, and omega plus 1, and omega square plus 1 is equal. Fine. Reducing the simplest form. What I am doing here, see, sigma. Starting from 2, 3, 4, like that means I can write r plus 1. R running from 1 to n. See carefully, dear students. R is equal means 5 into, what about this case? 1, 2, 3, like that means r omega plus 1. Next, omega square, 2 omega square, that means what? Directly r omega square plus 1. What's it? Replace r by n. N plus 1 is there, n omega plus 1 is there, n omega square plus 1 is there. Now, first of all, simplify these two factors. That is, r n from 1 to n. R plus 1 into, what is the result is coming? R square omega cube plus r omega plus r omega square plus 1 is coming. Fine. So we know that omega cube is equal to 1 and omega plus omega square is how much? Minus 1. So omega cube is equal to 1. Omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. So in the place of omega cube is equal to 1 right now. Now sigma r running from 1 to n, r plus 1 into, this is r square. What about this case? Take r as a common factor. Omega plus omega square is minus 1, that is minus r plus 1 is coming. Now a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. What is the result? That is r cube plus 1. Now, see, sigma r cube plus sigma 1. Sigma r cube, what is the formula? Sum of the cubes of the first and natural numbers. What is the answer? That is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 plus 1. That is the answer. So, thing is, only logic is here only. Converted to reducing to simplest form. That is the answer. If x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the value of x plus 1 by x whole square plus x square plus 1 by x whole square plus x cube plus 1 by x cube whole square and so on. So, dear students, how many terms are there totally? There are 27 terms are there. What is the value? See the solution? Given x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. What are the roots here? X is equal to omega comma omega square. So put this values in the given condition. Then now, what are the results coming? X is equal to either omega square, take it anything, omega plus 1 by omega whole square plus omega square plus 1 by omega square whole square, omega cube plus 1 by omega cube whole square, and so on. This is the result coming. Fine. So from this case, multiples of omega concept is how many times is coming? See, omega power 4, omega power 7, like that is repeated. How many times are there? That is 9 times are there. Omega square. Getting a point here? Omega power 4, omega power 7, like that. Omega square. Next, omega power 5, omega power 8, and so on. Similarly, multiples of omega cube. How many are there? Cube, 6, 9, and so on up to 27. So each combination is repeated 9 times. This is 9, 9, 9. So like that, omega square plus 1 by omega square whole square plus, that is the meaning. Repeated. Now, omega power 4 is how much? Omega. Like that is the same term is repeated. Fine. 1 by omega. What is the concept here? Omega into omega square is how much? 1. So, 1 in the place of 1 by omega, I can write omega square. Omega square plus 1 by omega square is how much? Omega whole square. So, this is 1 plus 1 whole square. 5. 9 into. From this case, what you can say? 1 omega plus omega square means minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square. 2 square. How much is coming? 9 into. So 1 plus 1 plus 4. So answer is how much? 54. So this is the correct option. This is one of the important model. Thank you. Which of the following is false? See, first option. If mod z is less than 4, then modulus of iz plus 3 minus 4i is less than 9. Question number, option B. If 1 plus I into 1 plus 2i into 1 plus 3i into and so on 1 plus 9i is equal to z, then mod z square is equal to 2 into 5 into and so on into. Option C. Modulus of z minus I is less than 1. Then z plus 12 minus 6i is less than 2 plus 6 root 5. This one. And number of solutions of these two equations is 2. Now, which of the following option is false? They are asking. Now, let us see. Students, we know one result. What is that? Modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to mod z1 plus mod z2. Now come to the point. mod z is less than 4 is given. I'm talking about option A. Now iz plus 3 minus 4i. How to write this one? Less than or equal to, see carefully, mod iz plus modulus of 3 minus 4i is equal to, these are values how much? Mod z plus modulus of 3 minus 4 is how much? 5. 5, which is less than, mod z is less than 4, so 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So option A is true. Come to the point. Which is false? They are asking which of the following is false. So this is not possible. Now option B. What is the given? Z is equal to x plus iy. What is the meaning modulus of z? That is root over x square plus y square. What's the question? So z is equal to 1 plus i, 1 plus 2i, and so on, 1 plus 9i. Apply modulus on both sides. Now this one can write 1 plus I modulus of 1 plus 2i, and so on, 1 plus 9i. So use this property. What is the result is coming? This is root 2. This is 1 plus 2 square is 5. Next 10, and so on, root over 82. Come to the point. Squaring on both sides this case. What is the result? Mod z square is equal to 2 into 5 into 10 and so on, 82. So this statement is also correct. Now what about C? Modulus of z minus I is less than 1 is given. So how to break down this one? See, z plus 12 minus 6i is equal to, I am writing z minus I plus 12 minus 5i. See carefully, I can break them. z1 plus z2, adding same thing is coming. So what is the formula? Less than or equal to mod z minus I plus 12 minus 5i is coming. Modulus of z minus I is how much? That is less than 1, plus modulus of 12 minus 5 is how much? That is 13. Clear? Of course, this 14 is also strictly less than 2 plus 6 into root 5. Yes, C is option C is also correct. Now, option D. So, place is not sufficient. Manage the board. Please write on this one. D, option D, you can see. What is given? Z minus of 1 plus I. I can write this one, see, minus 1 plus I is equal to root 2. Check it, is it possible or not? So what is the meaning here? Z lies on circle with center A minus 1 comma 0, and radius is root 2. Fine. What about this case? Mod z is equal to 3 means z lies on circle with center B 0 comma 0 and radius is 3. 5. Now distance between, that means C1 C2, that is AB is equal to what is the formula? I mean distance between these two formulas how much? Using the formula, AB is how much coming? 1. Why? What about R1 minus R2 is coming? See carefully. 3 minus root 2. But if you are observing, B is less than R1 minus R2. See carefully. Why? Because 3 means of 3 minus 1.414. How much is coming? Approximately 1.5 some value. Strictly less than 1. I mean, D is less, means what here? 1 less than 1.5. That means what here? What you can say? One circle is completely lies inside the circle. You students understand here? D less than 1.5 means what here? Property. One property is there. What is the case? One circle is lies completely inside the circle. But what is the condition is given? They are asking number of solutions. Number of solutions is nothing but number of point of intersection of these two curves. Number of times. But they never intersecting each other. Therefore, number of solutions is 0. But in the equation they given 2 is given. That's why which of the following is false means option D is the false. So hence prove. If 1, Z1, Z2 and so on, Zn minus 1 are nth roots of unity, then find its value. This is the one of the very important model, dear students. Why? Because in the place of 3, they can ask 2 also, 5 also, 6 also, anything. Then how do you approach this type of models? See. What are the conditions given? 1, Z1, Z2 and so on, Z minus 1 are nth roots of unity. The case that is Z power n is equal to 1. So how do you write this one? Z power n minus 1 is equal to Z minus 1, because 1 is the one root, Z minus Z1, Z minus Z2 and so on, Z minus 1. So these type of problems here, if you are doing, F plus summation is there. So like that, first of all, this one also you should break them this sign. How to break them? With the help of logarithms. Apply logarithm on both sides. So logarithm of Z power n minus 1 is equal to log AB, log A plus log B. So like that. Plus log Z minus Z1 plus and so on, logarithm of Z minus 1. But what you are observing? 1 by denominator. 1 by means what? Differentiate with respect to Z on both sides. We have. What is the result is coming here? N into Z power n minus 1 minus 0 by Z power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by Z minus 1, 1 by Z minus Z1 and so on, 1 by Z minus Z minus 1. Now come to the point. Earlier I told you, in the place of 3 you can replace 4, 5, anything they can ask. Here 3 is the dummy variable, dummy number. So means, what do you want? Put Z is equal to 3. And what is your answer is coming? See, 1 by 3 minus 1, 1 by 3 minus Z1, 1 by 3 minus Z2 and so on, 1 by 3 minus Z minus 1 is equal to, see the case, differentiation, n into 3 power n minus 1 by 3 power n minus 1. But they are asking only this case. So this part here, this one transpose to this side. Therefore, 1 by 3 minus Z1 plus 1 by 3 minus Z2 and so on is equal to, so n into 3 power n minus 1 by 3 power n minus 1, 1 by 2 means minus 1 by 2. So that is the answer, dear students. So this one, don't confuse, this is different case. Be careful, this is a very important model. So once again, practice one. Thank you, my dear students. Have a nice day.